Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
How are you? Nice to meet you.
Yeah, take care, yeah? How you doing, guys? I hope so you're keeping well, like always. Today I'm in Ubud, as you can see already, and I will talk about how is the situation in Ubud now. Generally in Bali and in Ubud. I will walk on the main streets and small wee streets also, including the traditional Ubud market area over here, going into the King Palace in Ubud. And then we will see how's the situation, because it's cloudy a little bit. I don't know why it's cloudy. When I was leaving house was sunny and now it's cloudy. However, it's hot like always, quiet as usual in nowadays during the new normal. Polo Ralph is closed, not paid advertising, but however the shop is also closed. I think I don't need to tell in QS, most of the things are closed. However, this is how it looks like. I hope so you will enjoy today's vlog. As you can see, actually almost everything is closed here. Some businesses are already bankrupt. Bankruptcy, many of the places are temporarily closed, permanently closed, decontracted, which is mean for rent, for sale, and or just no sign at all. However, super quiet. But sandal shop is open. Behind me, can you see the gate? This gate is the entrance to the Balinese house, and this Balinese house have a weddings now there inside. Somebody is getting married, so that's the decoration, and now the guests can come there all day long to see the new couple, new married couple, give them gifts, have a lunch. That's the local Balinese tradition. If you never see, here we go.
You've heard so many stories, but now you know that all you have are worries. They come and go.
So this is the main junction in Ubud. next to the Ubud Traditional Market and King Palace. And also, as you can see, it's not as quiet as before because many local people driving, doing something. However, it's no tourists at all, no matter it's local or international. Here is the King Palace. I'm not sure if it's open or not. However, I will walk now into the market. I will show you guys how it is there. Basically, it's almost everything closed. And anyway, yeah, what should I say? I don't. The sad thing is, as I really cannot see any domestic tourists in Ubud. I don't know why, and so many things are just closed.
That talk about silver linings is just pretend. When your heart is slowly dying until the end. When everything falls into pieces and you have wasted every teardrop, as it seems for no good reason. Give me something to believe in. I'll be your comfort and preserver, and I'll wipe away your teardrops when the night is getting darker. You don't have to struggle harder.
So, as you can see, this is the Ubud Traditional Market, and yeah, basically, unfortunately, almost everything is closed. Some businesses seems to be open, but like 2-3 shops, small sellers, but there's nothing here. Nobody is here. This is the one of the main walk path over here behind me. Over here, normally is a lot of stuff and people, obviously, of course, but at the moment it's like it's just quiet. I'm sorry guys, I don't really want to talk every single vlog as it's quiet, because obviously that's how it is, but many of you are probably very interested about how is it in Bali, in Ubud, in here. So I'm trying to do every day something different, like always. I'd never walk on this road yet. I mean, I used to walk, but when I was busy, not during the current situation. So here we go, guys. I will show you a little bit around. However, it's a little bit sad view. Here we go.
You thought that you could handle any firestorm, but deep down every battle will do you harm. All the walls and all the ceilings will fall apart.
So on the street, like over here, as you saw, is the small guest house, but at the front of the guest house somebody is living there. This is like a private house, a Balinese private house, old style house, very nice. However, must be sad for the owners because they have to have some kind of business over here. Same like this one, and over here, this one is the entrance to the house.
But who will start the healing of a broken heart when everything falls into pieces and you have wasted every teardrop, as it seems for no good reason? Give me something to believe in. I'll be your comfort and preserver, and I'll wipe away your teardrops when the night is getting dark.
As you can see already, here is the main road, and it's also super quiet. Over here is the small road. Somebody is driving, but generally it's super quiet. And almost everything is closed, or even if something is open, it's empty.
You don't have to struggle harder.
planning to have a coffee actually. It's always good to have a coffee, right? But it's actually so many places are closed. It's not much to choose. Not many places as I can go to have a coffee, you know, but that's actually so sad. So probably I will go to one of my favorite places. Actually this place was never closed, but I'm not sure. I will try to find something new, but we will see. And here we go, I found a nice, cool, interesting place. Never been here, never know about existing this place. I have to take the shoe as well. Let's see, they said as they have a coffee. Let's pass the circle. Nice door. Cool. Nice. I just ordered a coffee, option with dairy milk or cashew milk. Why is no focus? I don't know. Hold on, guys. I think it's better now. So this is typically a yoga place, restaurant with meditation. As I see, nobody told me, but I think so. I also have no shoe. But it's very nice style. Something new, good to show you guys as well. And for me, never been here. Hope so you like it.
The brink's coming. The brink's coming.
Just got the coffee in the new place. It's always good to try something new. I have to go home because it's already... Hello!
Hi!
How are you?
How are you? Nice to meet you!
Yeah, take care, yeah? Yeah, so I just got the coffee. It's nice to have it, but this is typically vegan, vegetarian. If you would like to meditate a little bit or having a yoga stuff. Not little bit my vibe, however, very worth to come at least once for the vibe and see how is the architecture, especially the door, very nice. However, I have to go home because it's getting to be super cloudy and it's already dark, so the all footage will be gray. And I don't want to get wet, because going to Ubud is like 35 minutes and then I don't want to be sick after that. I hope so you know what I mean, guys. However, I will make a few shots more for you. How is the Ubud streets? Basically it's very quiet and many things are closed. If something is open, it's quiet. Like for example this one, nice cafe shop and everything, but it's quiet, empty, nobody is there. And today I do some research little bit about the local tourists. It's already after more than 1 month and local tourists, domestic tourists can come to Bali. And I noticed one thing, as many of them, they got Google, type it in Google about how is the situation in Bali and blah blah blah. The thing is, as many local people are afraid to come to Bali and travel in general because of the current situation. And also the big difficulties is about the flying. So whenever you wanna fly to Bali from Jakarta, let's say, you have to get loads of paperwork and also the tests. Many people don't wanna do it for many reasons. I truly understand them. However, I would like to go to Lombok, which is the island next to Bali, and I have to get a test. I don't wanna do it for many reasons. Hello, thank you.
Can you?
Yeah, thank you. Nice. So sad. Everybody trying to sell something, but what I can do. Back to the topic. So wherever you wanna go, even in Indonesia, you have to get a test. This is very problematic. And I think that's why Bali will be so quiet, because of many people from Jakarta, Java and other islands. They just don't wanna stress too much going to Bali, you know what I mean, guys? If you are in one country, that should be like, it's one country, it's already closed for 6 months for international. Why we have to making the test going to different city? And long time ago was, even if you wanna go to Kintamani, which is the region in the middle of Bali, you should got a test. That was crazy, and they very quickly decide there will be no test because nobody wants to go anywhere. There was so many problematics. Yeah, but that's my personal thoughts about this, and we will see how it will be in the next few months. It's still 4 months till Christmas, and it's super quiet, and many things is going to be bankruptcy, unfortunately. And this is the traditional market again, as you can see. Guys, as you see behind me is super cloudy and dark sky. I don't wanna get wet, so I think that's will be enough. I have to rush to go home. Thank you so much for watching, like always. I hope so you enjoyed today's vlog. If you are new on channel, consider to subscribe, because we do the vlogs every single day at 7 p.m. Bali time, about 1 o'clock at daytime in Europe, in America about morning time. Like always, thank you so much for watching, guys. Please like, share, comment, of course subscribe, and see you tomorrow, guys. Something new tomorrow at 7, like always. See ya and take care, guys. I hope so I'm not gonna get wet. If so, I will show you how I look wet. Take care. Hi sayang, pizza for dinner.